The Dr. Young Project presents its Community Changemaker Award each year to a community member who helps to make the world a healthier and yummier place. This year, we are so pleased to announce our Community Changemaker Award going to Beverly Alexander of the Anderson Foundation. It's really just a token of our appreciation for all that you have done for us for all of the years. We could never express to you how much this has meant to us.
Oh, thank you so much. I'm really honored, and it was an absolute pleasure. I wish I could have done more. I do hope to do more in the future.
I think really I became most familiar with you in 2014 when we opened the kitchen and the garden. We wanted that to be a showpiece, and so we asked for community members to help support, and you contacted us and said that you wanted to be part of that. And I think your name is still on the plaque out there in the garden. The one program that you were most interested in was the programming we did with Stafford Junction, and that helps youth in the Stafford County area that are low-income kids, and they provide programming around education and healthy living, and we did a number of programs with your help, and I think they really enjoyed meeting you, and I think you enjoyed meeting them too.
Oh, I certainly did. And they loved cooking. They were so enthusiastic to see that particular age group. Oftentimes, young teens can sometimes be a little bit off-put, I think, by the kitchen. They loved it.
That was such a meaningful relationship we were able to have because of your support. I was thinking also about some other programs that you've supported over the years. We had some programming with Big Brothers Big Sisters, which you supported for a few seasons, and Habitat for Humanity. There's just been so much support. And then I remember you were interested in the Scouts, and nutrition and cooking were some of the things that they were interested in doing with us here, and that was something you were very enthusiastic about helping to support. And then the other thing you have done for us during the pandemic is helped us with some of our virtual programs. So, kids and families have needed help with their nutrition more than ever during this pandemic. And I'm so grateful that you helped to support some of the programming we were able to do.
Love your program. Love you too.
Oh, love you too.